Hey, who doesn't love the smell of fresh baked bread wafting through the house? I'm going to show you how to make the easiest homemade bread that's not only amazingly delicious, but it's also gluten-free, grain-free, dairy-free, and full of nutritious goodness. We can put this together in about 4 minutes. Just dump and go. Start with the bread mix. Fox Hill Kitchens, 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, a 1/4 cup of oil. We're using avocado oil, but you could use melted butter or olive oil if you prefer. And 1 1/4 cups of water. You don't need to buy eggs or anything because the egg whites are already included in the mix. And away we go. There's no danger over mixing this. There's no danger over mixing this. You can just keep going until you are sure that it's ready. Like that. If you have a big bowl, you want to scrape the sides down just to be sure that everything is going to get in there. Probably won't have to do that with a smaller mixer. And then we're going to add 3/4 cup of boiling water. I'm going to use a 1/2 cup measure. And a 1/4 cup measure. And just dump it in. You want to start the mixer slow with the hot water in it so that it doesn't splash. And then you can quickly turn it up and let her rip. This is how easy it is. And once again, it's impossible to overmix this. So if you're nervous about it, just let it keep going a little bit longer. And that's it. So now we're going to put it in a bowl so it can rest. Boiling water just wakes up all the amazing magical goodness in this bread that makes it rise, even though there's no gluten and no wheat in it. And there's also no dairy in it. So just put it in your bowl. You don't need to oil it or anything. We're going to stick some plastic wrap over it, keep it all moist and warm so it can rise really well. And then we tuck it in to let it rest and have a nice nap for about 4 hours minimum. Or you can make this in the afternoon, let it rest overnight, and it'll be ready in the morning. It's very forgiving dough. And then we will come back to you with some more videos and show you how to make easy peasy rolls and tortillas and pizza crusts and baguettes and whatever you like. Have fun!